Why just sing the Star-Spangled Banner when you can eat it? Show your patriotic spirit by bringing a tray of these American flag cupcakes to the party. Here, we have not only the recipes for scrumptious cupcakes and frosting, but also the tips and tricks for arranging them into your favorite patriotic dessert. Memorial Day, Independence Day, Veterans Day, or really any day you're feeling appreciative of our country, all need a dessert that dazzles with the red, white, and blue. Cupcakes arranged to represent our American flag are so much easier than oft-served sheet pan flag cakes. No slicing and serving required. Just grab a frosted cupcake without missing a minute of the celebration. To make this the best patriotic dessert you've ever made, we used 2 special recipes from Sally's Baking Addiction: Very Vanilla Cupcakes and Vanilla Bean Frosting. You'll need a total of 50 cupcakes, 12 with blue frosting, 18 with red, and 20 with white. If you'd like stars on the blue cupcakes, just pipe some on with the white frosting, or roll out some white fondant and cut out some stars. 50 cupcakes later, you will have an edible rendition of the American flag with a cupcake for each state. The flag itself is made up of 48 cupcakes, with 2 additional cupcakes that you can set alongside to represent Alaska and Hawaii.